it's Corey with Off-Grid Trailers. Today, I'm going to show you how to winterize your Switchback by Off-Grid Trailers. These instructions will be the same whether you have a Switchback S or a Switchback R. Before you get started, you're going to want to pick up some non-toxic RV antifreeze. You can get this at a local hardware store or RV dealership. To begin this process, you'll need to drain the water tank. Within the front box, you'll see an access panel that's held on by 4 thumb screws. You'll simply remove those 4 screws to gain access to the drain valve. While your main water tank is draining, you'll want to come around to the hot water on demand system and drain it as well. You'll simply unscrew your drain plug and let the water drain into the box. Once your hot water on demand system is completely drained, simply screw your drain plug back in. Now that your water tank is empty, you'll need to turn your bypass valve to draw non-toxic RV antifreeze into your water system. Once your antifreeze fill line is in the bottle, turn on the water pump to pressurize the lines. Now that your system is pressurized, you'll want to turn on both your shower head and your sink until you see the color of the antifreeze run through. While the faucet is running, turn it to both the hot and cold setting. This will ensure your antifreeze goes through all of your lines. Now that you've run antifreeze through all of your lines, you can simply remove the clear hose from your antifreeze bottle, turn your bypass valve to the off position, and shut the drain. Before you finish, remove the drain plug from the hot water on demand system completely and leave it in the side box. When you're ready to start camping again in the spring, you'll put the drain plug back in the hot water on demand system, fill your tanks with water, and rinse out the antifreeze. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions on this process, throw it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Like and subscribe for more how-to videos from Off-Grid Trailers.